friends, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'm going to be attempting to put on the turbo manifold, maybe mock up the intercooler. I did order some titanium bolts from the homie Frank from Downstar. Make sure you use that code down below in the description. But enough for all the talking. You already know the deal. I'm gonna just get straight to it, you heard me? Let's go. All right, first thing first, I'm gonna grab the lifting mechanism. I'm gonna raise up the car, cause I might not deal with the jock thing. You see me? Lava. Gonna take off the exhaust manifold, disconnect it from the V-band that I have underneath the car. See, I was messing with the feed or whatnot. This was my feed off my old B series. I don't know if it's a -3 or a -4. It looked like a 3 though. But anyways, I'm gonna mock this up, see exactly where turbo is going to sit. And yeah, man, y'all know the deal. So let's get into the time lapse. All right, so as you can tell, I got the turbo and the turbo manifold mocked up, just held on by two bolts and two bolts. I do have to make some adjustments with my fuel system. As you can tell, the wastegate was hitting the fuel filter. So I'm gonna have to reroute that whole system. I figure I will go and disconnect it, probably go, I think I do have enough holes to go around, maybe inside the mount for the gearbox to right here. So that's what I'm gonna have to do next to get some good clearance. The wastegate is like right there next to the top unit. Luckily, it's not hitting the it's not hitting the shifter cables. I'm not too worried about this part. I could always redo the fuel system. My biggest concern is the intercooler. That's my biggest concern, because I'm a person that do not like to cut my grill. I'm going to try my very best to retain my grill. I mean, I don't have a problem with cutting it like very thin, but the lines, I do not want to lose that. So I'm gonna figure out a way for that. So it's pretty late. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning, and I got work at 5:45. So tomorrow I'm gonna take off the bumper and try and mock up the radiator and intercooler. But damn, that she looking good though. She looking good. All right, so I'm off for work, back home. It's daylight outside. So I'm going to take off the bumper and mock up the intercooler pretty much. Time lapse, because I ain't gonna record all of that. All right, day like 47,672, but no, I'm playing. So, change of plans. Here's what I'm doing. I put the car back, all motor. I'm gonna bring it down to Fat Mike's shop so he can get the oil pan tapped and do some stuff for the radiator, which I can't do. And that would be welding aluminum. He's gonna make, I think so, if we are on the same page, he's gonna make a tubular front and use those two mounting points to mount the radiator, to mount the intercooler to that, and maybe weld the radiator to the intercooler with two brackets, and finish up everything for me there. So I'm waiting on the homie Mario from Just Send It Transportations to pull up and hook this bitch up and bring it down south, and then I'll head down there Saturday to, no, not Saturday because today's Saturday. I'll head down there Sunday to sort out everything else. But it's back on motor. Me, Randy, and Percy took off the kit last night. That's not my bumper. That's my old bumper when I was on Boost with the B series. That's the bumper right there. Damn, boy, that lit. But yeah. Alrighty. I go to homie. Just Send It. Alright, so I'm gonna try and get this coupe on the trailer.
Uncle Phil.
All right, coupe is loaded and heading to PYC Automotive. Thanks to the homie Mario from Just Send It Transportation.
You already know.
You got the shirt on? That's it.
Just send it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Let them know.
Just send it. That boy go anywhere. It don't matter where. Except Hawaii. I think you got to cross the waters for that one, ain't it? But anywhere in America, bro. Texas, Cali, all that shit. Not only just cars. He pick up freight and whatever. But just send it. I'll leave his information down below. But coupe is loaded up. Ready to head down south. And I'll be down south tomorrow because I got to go back to work here in a little bit. Oh, but my baby gone. See you tomorrow, though. See you tomorrow. All right, so today is Sunday, September. September. I don't know what day it is, man. September 27th. I'm currently in Broward County, Florida. Most of where I grew up at is down here. I left St. Mary, Jamaica. I moved to Miami. Left Miami when I was about 8, 9 to Broward County. Left Broward County when I was 29. Yeah, I've been 29 to Port St. Lucie. But anyways, head into the homie Fat Mike shop, PYC Automotive, to finish the turbo kit. Get that rolling. Drop the oil pan, drill it, put the bong, this, that, and the third, fab up the intercooler and the radiator. My dumbass forgot to bring my oil, my AMS oil, because you know that's what I run. I still have the first oil change in there. Shout out to the homie Pure Oil. I'll leave his description down below. That is an authorized AMS oil dealer. Best oil, bro. It ain't break down on me yet, but unfortunately I forgot it at the house and I'm not driving back 2 hours to go get it. So I'm gonna put some regular oil in there after everything's done. But we will resume the video once I get to Mike's shop. All right, back again at Fat Mike's shop, PYC Automotive. Y'all know the EK all-wheel drive. And we got the coupe over here. You got the two masterminds behind the whole project. That's the aluminum welder. Introduce yourself, Wolf. Let them know who you is, dog.
Casanova Metal.
Yep.
Josh. I weld everything.
Everything. It don't matter what it is. Cars, boats, airplanes.
Everything. I weld everything.
That's him right there. I'll leave his information down below. He does have an IG, so you guys can hit him up for any custom fab work. And this is Fat Mike with his fat belly. See, this is how he got the name Fat Mike. Whoa, dog, you can't be licking no syrup in my video, bruh.
This is how I do it.
Live off of that.
Gets done.
You see? Or nothing get done.
Because I'm always eating.
But you got the turbo kit laid out here. Got the car covered up, about to go into a surgical state. Go wide angle so you guys see everything. Everything is here. We're gonna mock everything up, weld the radiator, however they're gonna do it for the custom part of it. Drop the oil pan. Like I said, I did forget the goddamn oil, so I'm gonna have to put some regular shit in there for now. But most of everything is gonna get time-lapse. I am going to go into details on certain things so you guys can see how it's getting done. But majority of the video will be time-lapse, so I can give you guys an insight. Don't want to make the video too long.
You don't want to hear the bullshit that goes on here, trust me.
Yeah. A whole lot of lava talking. A whole lot of lava talking being in this shop, bro. But let's get the ball rolling. All right, yo, so what the homie did was basically chop off what he's marking now on the bumper support for this to be like a mountain bracket for the intercooler, since I don't have the whole crash bar on top of the radiator being so offset, so high on one side. So he's gonna fab up that to make that a mountain bracket.
How you gonna put that?
Well, after everything,
How long that'll take? And you got fucking hot
looks like
plastic
the
on it?
grill is gonna have to go, bro.
You said no, so
The grill
I got you. Come on.
is gonna have to go. Even if we try to trim it, just to leave like this little front lip, the intercooler ain't gonna happen. But I was expecting that. What I wasn't expecting, which I kind of was the smoke light cover, bro. This I really did not want to cut, but if you look, there's fucking there's no space, bro, because the piping bends right here, so it's like no space, bro, to fit the piping. So this is gonna have to go. Fuck it. That's clean. It ain't even like, I didn't imagine it looked that good.
Compared to the other side.
Still look OEM.
That's the idea.
That's good, man. Some professional shit right there, boy.
dirty around here, but
I'm liking it. What you doing, bro?
fuck are you doing, bro? That's up.
Bruh, there's nothing wrong with my bruh. There's nothing wrong with my wiring, bro.
This shit don't work, bro.
Duh.
This shit don't work, bro.
There is nothing wrong with my.
You got fucking rainwater coming out. Yeah, let's run rainwater in our electrical fucking.
It's waterproof
We
wiring.
don't do this around here, bro. What is this? What did you accomplish by doing that?
I made the headlights work.
A for effort. You made it. Oh, okay. All right. 2020, guys. 2020.
Man, just cut my whole wiring harness, bro.
This is not called a wiring harness, bro.
But the man just chopped off my whole harness, bruh.
It's not a harness, man. I'm telling you. It's not what a harness is called. It's called kindergarten.
So man just chopped off my harness, dog. The fuck, man.
Hey. What is this? Tommy don't put that there.
I don't know what this is.
Neither do I. Same thing of wiring or something? Fire waiting to happen.
Oh, bruh. Now my headlights ain't gonna work.
Look at all this overspray on this shit, dude. What the fuck? Oh my Lord Jesus.
Yeah, it's getting there. I should have drawn a line, but I kind of thought freehanded, and now it's even better than if I had drawn a line. How it goes, you know? That's probably the straightest cut I've ever done. Wait till that shit sings.
Bye bye grill. That's a wrap. That's all she wrote.
Line or anything. I just fucking traced it with a gap perfectly across there.
Oh, and you're gonna just
yeah.
shave it down like you told me.
Sand this part down
Sand
and
this
it's
part off
straight.
and it's fucking perfectly straight. Look at that, even gap all the way around.
Hey, you see this right here?
You got a file?
See, bruh. There we go, man. The bumper's almost cut. Dude, that is... Look how even it is. That is clean. Just got to worry about getting these corners. But
It's not that I volunteered, it's that I knew that it had to be done right.
now we are moving the fuel line, because the fuel line was originally like this, but then the wastegate sits right here and it was hitting that. So we're gonna have to disconnect that, bring this hose through the mount, and then base like a big L this way and then straight like that. That's what we're gonna do. I can't use my catch can lines because it's too high for that. So I'm gonna have to get a valve cover and probably do it from either right here or right there. And nigga, the catch can over here, bro. Or if we build one right there, use this space since the only thing here is the mount. But then that's my overflow tank as well. My overflow, unless I route a new one along. I don't know, I'll figure that shit out later. So David, when that EK coupe gonna be finished, bro?
What coupe?
The red coupe.
I don't know what red coupe you're talking about.
You don't know what red coupe I'm talking about? I bet. You don't know what red coupe I'm talking about. Yeah, man, we getting there. Alright guys, I know it's pretty loud from all the noise and stuff, you know what? Anyway. Alright guys, so remember what I was telling y'all last time, how I'm getting the oil feed. I have this K20 part right here. It mounts to your, it mounts to your oil pressure sensor on the block, and then the stock oil pressure sensor goes and the end of it, and it gives you 3 ports that you can use. So like on this side, I got the AEM. Shit, let me zoom out. On this side, I got the AEM sensor right there on that port. So on this side, I'm gonna use for the feed right
You gonna turn the music off for that?
there. Yeah, bro, cause I'll get copyrighted.
Bro, yeah, you're gonna get fraudulent right now.
So-
You're lying to them.
Lying about what, bro?
Well, I don't know what you're talking about right now.
Okay, exactly. So I'm gonna just take out this block right here, put in the adapter so I can put the feed in, and that's how I'm gonna get my oil.
Yeah.
Uncle Phil.
So what the homie is going to do now, they mocked up the intercooler. He's going to weld brackets for the mounting point. It's going to be a bracket here and on the other side, and then the radiator will be right behind it with brackets to hold them on together as one piece, which I will be able to bolt off and bolt on each one. So he's about to weld that up now.
That's gonna be too far or too short.
But
Too
check
short, what are
them
you talking
shits
about?
out, bro.
Look, this was the middle. I was, in my mind,
That's
Josh,
funny.
Yeah.
in my mind, I was thinking we were gonna use one of these already, so I was thinking it was gonna go like about right there.
We can do that because we've got two on the other side.
The one on the side, yeah. Because I have a feeling this one's gonna catch like right here. The hole's gonna be like right
That
here.
ain't going nowhere, bro.
No, I think it's gonna be right here.
You think?
We could. You know what I'm saying? At that point, we
We
can't.
That ain't
but it's
going
gonna
nowhere.
It's gonna surpass the top flat spot.
Yeah,
Look.
That's plenty of support right there.
Over there, and there's nothing there.
From 2 on there.
We're gonna have
Two
to
on
cut.
there.
Let's hold
Straight.
it up to it.
That shit is dirty.
We might get like some infringement or some
Man,
some
shut
type
up,
of
bro.
lawsuit or something about that one.
All right, guys. So here goes the finished product. Full race intercooler. Custom made brackets to the Chase Bay radiator.
Low key, that thing is tight.
Low key, that shit is tight. And I can take it off when I want to. It isn't like welded like direct to it. Man, that shit mint though.
40211 solid aluminum. What? What?
I don't know what he talking about.
That's the douchebag speaking. You heard me?
I guess Mike had read the comments on the last video.
Yeah, some douchebag talk shit about a douchebag. Fuck the shit. The beach.
Bruh, you shut up.
You're gonna say no.
Oh my God, bruh. As you can see, there's a nice gap in between for the airflow. It isn't like side by side, stuck to each other.
There's a company that does that, but you're not gonna.
I'll say it, Speed Factory shit trash.
Drop fire.
I ain't got no problem saying that shit, bro. Thanks to the big homie right here, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit him up if y'all need any custom work, bruh. That shit Lego, bitch. And that bit raw. Lava. Yeah, that shit all one piece, man.
That shit is nice, man. It really is.
Oh. All right, guys, so day 2 of the install. Back at the homie Mike's shop, PYC Automotive. Let me show you guys what's done so far. Intercooler is on there. I hit it with some polish, got them shined up. Mike is currently doing the push locks on the turbo, and he did them on the wastegate. Bro, that is a tight fit. Dash 10 return, and he's doing the push locks now. Let me hold it for you.
You can grab that.
You ready?
1, 2, wait. Try to be straight. Go.
Good?
Go. Only the best. Applying tools. Let them know they cut through.
You guys see how that shit cut the nylon holes, bro. Hey, don't play me, boy.
You're about to stick it in for fun.
Hey, stop playing with me, boy. But yeah, shit. The downpipe is on.
Stupid ass, bro. Fucking hate you.
Still got to finish the oil feed. Got to tap into there. Right now, I'm currently
Turkin?
I'm currently torquing down the
Twerk.
yo lava.
Lava. Fish him on.
So got to do the dash or 16 hoses for the radiator. But man, that's
Let
great.
go we use for AMs. Let them know. Take it.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. This Red Horse stuff, that shit's good, bro. What the whole drawer at?
Put them all on game on the this here. The
Dog.
wrenches.
And to get like in between the turbo, you know when you're trying to like turn the housing and you can't get those little tight spots.
Put a whole lot of game right now. Put them all on game, huh?
Like these right here, especially when you down in between trying to get in between the drain, right there, bro. This little small thin shit just bomb. Hitting holes perfect. Damn, that be looking good though, man. But yeah, bro. Talking about your one-stop shop. Every fitting you need in the John, man. All type of push locks and this, that. Wiring harness stuff, fuel filters, hoses. But I gotta finish up torquing down the galley Ford, so back on time lapse.
Alright, so what we working on now is the drain. Mike went ahead and got this welded. If you guys need a oil pan to be tapped, just make sure you know where you want to put it at. You can bring it to him and it'll leave like this. Welded from the inside, painted. Shit look clean. But yeah, that's what we're doing now. And the drain, which will go right here with a 120-degree fitting. Alright, just did the intercooler. Oh shit. Oh. Alright, just did the intercooler piping. Right there, which goes up into the throttle body.
Okay. Thank you, Tony. I really appreciate it, man.
And the lip is gonna cover all of this. Alright, so Mike just got done doing the hoses. We put a 90 right here, going up to the housing. So the coolant lines are all done. Gonna deal with some wiring issues that was very mint before, but somebody decided to take it on their own hands and redo my whole wiring.
This is mint. Get a close up for the boys.
Nah, but you straight.
What's all this paint on it? I didn't know why I was painted teal.
Off of the K20 sensor, relocated the pressure switch, and had a straight 1/8 MPT coming off of the K20 thingamajiggy to the 90 bend for the oil feed. Then that routes back up into there.
You got the train, I'm straight.
Gearbox, my yacht. Gearbox, I'm not no tranny, yo.
Stop, turn it off.
Here we go. Gonna hand it off to Mario.
Why did it just flip around? Why did it flip around?
I don't know why it fit. There she go, bro. First start up. All right, so we loading up the car back on the trailer. Get it back home. It's about 2:47 in the morning. But yeah, she cranked up.
They have one as long as it will be a trailer. Why don't you get like an old moving truck trailer or something?
Come on now.
like 4 o'clock in the morning, dog. It's literally like, I can't even talk. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning, bro. I'm so tired. I got work at 6. Turbo your car, Fred. It'll be fun, Fred. Okay. Huge big shout out to the homie Just Send It Mario. Man, that man did me a solid, bear. Talking about, it's like 4:45 right now. Big shout out. Make sure y'all hit that man up if y'all need any towing needs. But the coupe is home, safe and sound. Oh man, I'm tired. I'm done, bro. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's probably gonna be a long video. I'm tired. Make sure y'all cop some merch, egkcoupe.com. Until next time, I'm out, man. Y'all have a good night or good morning. I'm tripping, dog.